Hello everyone! Here, we present a new tutorial for the brand new AI board from System Electronics. Astrial, welcome to this tutorial on using PWM servo motors. If you're into do-it-yourself electronics, robotics, or any kind of creative tech builds, you've likely come across servo motors. These compact, versatile motors are essential for precise control of movement and positioning, making them ideal for a wide range of projects. In this video, we'll dive into pulse width modulation servo motors and explore how they work, where you can use them, and how they can bring your creations to life. Whether you're building robotic arms, automated systems, or even simple animatronics, understanding how to integrate servo motors into your projects will unlock countless possibilities. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up a Servo PWM hat on an Astrial connected to a Raspberry Pi CM4 board. Let's first take a look at the materials you'll need. One Astrial board, one Raspberry Pi CM4IO board, one Servo PWM hat, one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, two jumper wires, one breadboard, and finally, one positional servo motor and 4 continuous servo motors. Remember also that to power the PWM servo hat, you will need another power source in addition to the one for the Astrial board. While the Astrial must be powered with 12 volts, the hat must be powered at 5 volts. You will also need to solder the hat to the socket header and the 4 3x4 headers. Once you have all of these ready, let's jump into the hardware setup. Start by connecting the PWM servo hat to the GPIO header on the CM4IO board. Then, connect the Astrial's 5 volts and ground pins to the corresponding pins of the USB header on the CM4 as shown in this schematic. After that, connect the LED to the channel 0 of the hat. Connect the continuous servo motors to channels from 1 to 4. And lastly, connect the positional servo motor to channel 5. Finally, make sure to power the hat through the 5 volts port and a 5 volt power supply. First of all, copy the entire folder of this tutorial to the Astrial board using the SCP tool. This folder contains the example script, as well as a custom version of the PWM servo hat library that works with Astrial. Then connect to your Astrial via SSH. Make sure to replace the IP address with the correct IP address of your board. Then install through PIP3 the PCA 9685 driver library that is required to communicate with the hat. With everything set up, you're now ready to run the example Python script. Simply go into the folder and execute the Python script. As you can see, the LED blinks smoothly for 4 times. Now the continuous servos rotate back and forth at maximum speed. And finally, the positional servo motor rotates from 0 to 180 degrees and back twice.